This is a simple gold material in Blender. Set metallic to 1, lower the roughness, and that's it. But if you're doing jewelry or product renders, this won't cut it. So let's fix that with one more extra step. I have a cube. For the base color, I'm using a mix of warm yellow with a factor of 0.15. Metallic to 1, roughness around 0.1. Now the surface is too clean, too smooth. We want to add some texture to it. Add a bump node. Connect the noise texture factor into the bump height. Then connect the bump normal into the principled shader. You can change the distance to see the difference. You can also lower the strength a little, change the roughness of the noise texture, and increase the detail too. Now one more thing for the edges, add a bevel node, change the radius a little, and to see what it's actually doing, press M to mute it. See the difference? With the bevel, I get more depth on the edges. Without it, it's a little sharp. Now if you want to go further with this material, duplicate the principled shader and connect both principled into a mixed shader. Now this second shader gets its own roughness control, so I will lower it down to 0 and both get the same pump. Now mixing two different roughness values gives you a more complex highlight, almost like a double specular look, and that's closer to how real metal actually reflects light. Now, this is the same setup I'm using across the whole Cube Pendant. If you want to see the full process from modeling to final render, you can check out the playlist. Now, materials is only half the story, and lighting is the other half. So make sure that you are on cycles. And here I'm using an HDRI for the environment, and this controls the overall lighting and the soft reflections across the piece. And I use area lights on top. These give me that sharp controlled highlights you see right here.